Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of Cisco Unboxed. My name is Matthew White, coming to you from Ingram Micro's Business Transformation Center again to show you a little bit about Cisco's newest headset. So this headset, the 730, is not the newest one. The newest headset, let me just throw this back at its cradle here, is the 980. So let's go ahead and show you a little bit more about this headset here. So first off, the headset comes in this nice packaging here, and then inside of this box is actually another case for you to store your headset in. Nice little hard case, keeps it nice and secure. Inside the box itself is information on the USB adapter for Bluetooth, and also a little bit of information on the actual headset itself and how to use it. If I go ahead and open up this case, you'll find you have the nice little headset there. I can take this off of the box itself, and then inside of this little compartment, not only do you have the 3.5 millimeter connection if you're going to a phone that uses that or a computer, you also do have a USB to USB-C connection, and then a Bluetooth adapter comes inside of this little cardboard packaging there. So let me go ahead and give you a closer look at some of these features that are in this. So as you can see here, I do have inside the box, set those over here, the quick start guide, which is instructions on how to use it. So this will actually go over all the buttons and connections, but we'll go over those in the video so you'll have a better understanding of them. If I go ahead and pull this into view here, we do have the actual right and left ear pads, so you can see which way to put it on your ear. Obviously R goes on the right ear, L goes on the left ear. If I push on these a little bit, I can feel a lot of cushion here. So these are over the ear versus on the ear. So the advantage to that is if you are like me and wear glasses, you don't want to have something pressing against your head all day because that can produce headaches or just frustration with ear pain over the course of the day, where these are very nice and comfortable to be wearing all 8 hours or longer. I also do have cushion across the top here as well for the top of my head. And then if I turn these the other direction, you actually have buttons on this part here. You don't actually see them, but they are there. If you just tap this twice, you can play and pause your music, or if you have a call coming in, you can actually tap it twice to answer the call. These are little swipe buttons, so it's not actually a button you press here and a button you press there. It's actually swipe up or swipe down. On this side, swipe up would increase your volume, swipe down would decrease your volume, and then you also below that have your power on and off. So if I press that, I will actually turn the power on the device. If I hold down that power button, it'll actually go into Bluetooth pairing mode, which is going to blink this white light blue, and then it should pop up either on your phone or on your computer. And if you're having any trouble with the pairing to the computer, remember this does come with that little Bluetooth dongle, which is the latest 5.1 connection. So that will give you a good Bluetooth signal to the headset itself if your device doesn't have the latest Bluetooth technology built in. Right below that, I do have the 3.5 millimeter connection, and then I have the USB-C, which is also going to be used for charging this headset. On the opposite side, you do have the swipe up and swipe down button again. In this case, swipe down will actually turn off active noise cancellation, and swipe up will turn on active noise cancellation. So when you're having the headset on, you don't hear all that stuff coming on and going on around you. Underneath that, you do have the mute and unmute button as well, so you can just mute and unmute your headset. And then that is pretty much all you need to know about this headset. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, it's easy to use, it's going to produce good quality audio, and really, I would suggest getting one of these and trying them out for yourself because it's great, and you don't really know what you're missing until you have one of these on your head. So that's everything you need to know about the 980 headset. It's easy to use, simple to update. If you have to get new firmware for it, you can use the WebEx app, or you can use the mobile app to download the firmware for the headset. I will be doing an upcoming video with both the 730 and the 980 headsets to compare them to each other as far as sound quality goes, so check that out. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to post them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for joining us for another WebEx and Cisco Unboxed with Ingram Micro. And this is what the 980 sounds like when I have noise cancellation on and noise cancellation off. Noise cancellation on, noise cancellation off. So again, it doesn't really change the sound for you guys at all. It's just changing the sound for me if I'm hearing that active noise cancellation coming in from around me. Okay, and this is what the 730 sounds like when it comes to noise cancellation and the environment and the quality of the microphones. If I turn noise cancellation on this one, now I can hear that in my head. It tells me noise cancellation is on, and I can not hear all the fan noise and things like that that's going on in the environment anymore. So the people on the other side of your audio are going to hear the quality of the microphones that you have on your headset, along with if you have any active noise removal built into your software. So WebEx is real good at that, creating noise rejection. If you wanted to just do it with, let's say, noise removal turned on, or if you wanted to have active noise removal for your voice only, or if you just want to be in music mode so you can hear everything. Those are settings you can turn on and off in WebEx, and that cleans up what other people are hearing versus what you are hearing. But as far as the noise removal, you're just really getting it on the quality of the microphones that's being directed inside of the headset itself. So again, you're getting the sound rejected, but not the other people, unless you're using the noise removal that's built into the WebEx software. So again, thank you for joining us for another WebEx Unboxed and for allowing me to show you the quality difference between the 980 and the 730 headsets. Enjoy the rest of your day.